final installment of the Clinch Bible Volume 2, Laws of Clinch. Guys, we're about to knock it out the park for you, so just sit back and enjoy yourself. Got anything, Coach, before we get into this?
Let's go. I'm looking forward to it.
Absolutely outstanding. Let's cook.
All right, Coach, let's go. All right, first positions. Let's
Mm.
analyze quickly. So I think you realize that here he engaged the clinch, yeah? So I respond by straight away. So controlling my position, of course, that's the first thing I do. Let's do it again. So you can see, poop, straight away I went tall, trying to block his arm. I didn't get that one because that's the arm he came in, like pretty straight. So straight away I'm matching that side, all right, to make sure that I don't just leave it. Of course, I match it, lock my shoulder, and I do the same here. But here I'm inside, so I can use it straight away. All right, we'll start again. Let's go. Okay, I control it here. I get a nice pull. And
Can
then
I ask
the
you
knee.
a question, Coach, because I did notice. When you went up here, you had this hand straight up. Why did you have this one straight up instead of having it here like most beginners?
I want to feel what's your intention first. All right, so I take a contact. Like, you know, you want to touch if the water is too hot, too cold. You're testing a little bit, all right? So here, when he comes, poop, I test. I want to see where is he going to put the pressure. Am I going to have to apply pressure? And also I want to kind of trick him. Because if I go straight away there, he's going to match my power. Here I'm a bit like in between. Makes sense, guys? And I put pressure with my forearm. Because he matches me, I can just stay here. So then he's going to push or lift or whatever, and I can get control with that. And then when I want to do my pull, that's when I'm going to drop the hand. So I got the whole momentum from the top. Makes sense? So I'm here, I want to get the pull. Of course, I think we said that earlier, when you want to pull and you want to get direction, make sure that your foot engaging it as well at the same time. All right? Because if you do pull and then you move your feet, your foot, sorry, it doesn't work, right? You're too close, you're not creating enough range. So from the top here, pull, boom, walk for the knee.
Guys, notice my footwork also, even though I was the bull and he was the matador, if you notice my feet didn't go everywhere, just like in the first installment. Feet and foundation are very important. All right, so one more time, Coach.
So reaction to pull. All right, so I was up, yeah, he starts to push a little bit, I feel the pressure, and boom, I use it to pull. So see, that's what he was talking about. That's what you have to do to react to that. All right, if you don't transfer your foot, if you don't bring it forward, you won't be stable. Yeah.
Can you show us?
Yeah, sure.
All right, so I'm not going to bring my foot forward.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes, perfect.
So you see, like if you keep it there, so you have that one like on the straight line. Yeah. Then look, if you don't react quickly to that, that's it. Liam, boom, I'm ready for that knee. If you don't fall, so. That's a great one, Coach.
Very
Show
nice.
it one more time.
That's very good. So the way to prevent that is I have to take that step forward. Is that what you're telling us?
Exactly, yeah. So look, see, like both our feet, they're pretty close and they got kind of the same range. Yeah. So if I take that step here, your reaction would be to also take it. Yeah, to kind of follow my position. Yeah. So I take that one here, I take that one here. Look, poop. He just follows and come back to the same space he was. All right, and that's the clinch. That's the clinch footwork.
Can I try that with my eyes closed?
Yeah,
Let me try with my eyes
you're going to
closed
be able
because
to do it.
when we talked about feeling is the secret. So let's go. Let's run through that one more time. I'm going to close my eyes on some serious note. Here we go.
He feels. See, I give him a bit of. Ooh, good transfer. That's good. That's good. I'm taking different directions. He's always matching me. So it's feeling. It's not looking. All right, guys? So at first you have to look. You have to see what you're doing. But then you would just feel it. Yeah? Whenever the movement is, the momentum starts, you just have to go with it. Yeah? Like a dance. Isn't it, Coach?
Absolutely.
Yeah? Absolutely. So we started back from here. Hoop. Yeah, I go for my knee. I'm looking for a lock.
He's looking for a lock. I have to prevent that.
Yeah.
I almost went this way. I said, no. I have to be smarter than that because he's going to just squeeze.
I got my shoulder here,
yes.
guys. See?
There's no way I'm going to be able to get out of that. So what I do here, pin his shoulder. All right, his shoulder goes up. Let me push that down. Let me make a little open crevice here so I can make the space. All right, but right now, if you notice, he was too strong to even get up in there. So I had to just hold it, maintain it. And let's keep dancing, Coach.
That's good. Very good. Got back inside.
It's
I got to the lock, guys. Good defense here. Okay.
Let's run through that one again.
Okay, that was good. I want to come back quickly to the way I started the lock, actually, because I was like, I was here. I went inside, and I slowly went from there. See, so I was inside, and I felt that pressure here that was quite deep. Yeah. So I know I can lock from here, because if I go straight there, yeah, he's gonna stop me.
Yes,
yeah?
I can stop it here. I'm gonna lock his glove in, and so it's a few things that I can do here.
Or you could just keep his hand here, from there. If he keeps it here like tight,
oh yeah, absolutely.
I can't push, right? So that's the easiest way, and then you can do the other ones, of course. But that, if the glove is locked under my armpit, I can't go forward. So what did I do? I put the pressure so that he matches it. And as he's matching it, I go from the top. That's one of the easiest way to go to the lock, and usually people they would react to that. You're inside, come on, you don't want me to lock you?
No, I don't.
Easy. Sorry for that one.
You're my friend, it's okay.
Sorry for that one. You see that, the momentum created that impact. Why? Because I let him push me. I push him so that he matches my power. Once he matches, boom. That becomes easy because I release the pressure. And then that's it, I'm in. So see, when he matches the power, the pressure, I'm on the release, and also my footwork as well. Boom, because I want to come close and literally close all the space here, and start to be strong.
Beautiful. And guys, once he's here, I'm not crazy. He's going to squeeze. He's going to lock my neck. So I have to put a barrage.
So see that this was actually a one-hand lock. I didn't have my full lock. Yeah. So that's why he's barraged that. But he was controlling this hand.
Yes.
So he's not afraid of. Yeah, he still has a chance to get away from this. Although this is very strong.
Yes.
And sometimes I don't even need my other hand. Right?
And so what did you do after that? Because I was able to...
Yeah, so then you straight away went for like a lock.
I think I stopped it, right? I tried to.
So I went for lock, and you went for you moved.
I tried to make the space.
Yeah, you created space.
Yeah, I tried to, but I could not. So what did I do? I used my shoulder, all right, just to go up here, just to squeeze and give myself room. All right, 9 times out of, well, if they're at a certain level, I'm going to be able to snake and get that squeeze. He's smarter than the average person. All right, so when I did that, he made room. All right, which gave me an opportunity to get my circle in, to open up the holes. The holes open here, here, but I'm just going to take the easy one, and then we start it back over.
All right, so I got the log. Create space. Boop. Yeah. Boop. So I sit very and then we continue. We'll start on that.
Continuing. What am I doing now?
That is dangerous, guys. Look, that is dangerous, because that can go for a straight elbow.
So, but he's my friend. Yeah. He's practicing.
Yeah. So he's not going to do it to me, but still, I train. Whenever I feel that elbow, I'm going to put higher pressure to get away from it and get my shoulder. So even if he pushes, boom, I'm here. All right. Yes. Whenever I see that, be careful, guys. That goes quick. Yeah. So if you get to that situation, push up. Get away from it.
Good.
Beautiful.
Only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description.